New at 4:30, North Carolina Governor Josh Stein is rolling out his proposed budget for the next fiscal year.
It focuses on education, public safety, and lower costs for families. Jordie Clark has the key moments.
Governor Josh Stein says North Carolina's growth is putting pressure on the state, and his new budget aims to keep up.
We cannot simply stand still and hope for the best. That's why earlier this month, I announced my critical needs budget to fill the state's most urgent gaps.
A major focus, education. Stein says the state is falling behind, especially in teacher pay and per-student funding.
We are ranked 49th in the country in terms of how much we spend on each student's education. It's pitiful.
His proposal would raise teacher salaries, expand access to childcare, and invest more in school safety and student support.
My budget will make starting teacher salaries in North Carolina the highest in the Southeast, while significantly raising wages for all teachers.
The plan also targets rising costs for families through tax cuts and expanded benefits.
My budget proposes 4 tax cuts: a refundable child and dependent care tax cut to help parents afford the cost of child care, a working families tax cut, a back-to-school sales tax holiday, and a larger standard personal income deduction for every North Carolinian taxpayer.
Stein is also calling for a pause in future tax cuts, which he says could create a major budget shortfall of nearly $5 billion. Beyond tax cuts, public safety and health care are also key priorities, along with fully funding Medicaid and investing in law enforcement.
My budget also gives law enforcement more tools that they need to succeed, including body cameras and Viper communications equipment. We have hundreds of empty psychiatric beds in our state hospitals. They're empty because we don't have the staff to serve them. Let's work to fill that gap.
The governor says the goal is simple: invest in people while keeping the state competitive. For 13 News Now, I'm Jordie Clark.